Oh, what is it that you're doing, sir?
Made for dinner, ulam.
This is your dinner? But, Sabuyas?
Yeah,
The leaves?
yeah.
What else?
Very nice for dinner.
What else is to go with?
Vinegar and salt.
Oh, and then rice?
Then rice. Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
Wala baboy?
Wala pambili.
Wala manok?
Wala pambili. Only this one, free.
Free.
Yeah, it's free. That's why really nice. No money, live.
Sabuyas leaf. So this is how you communicate with your children
Yeah.
and grandchildren.
There's in Cavite.
But when you first come here, there are no cell phones.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody, I'm sitting here with my friend Jennifer, a longtime friend, and today's is a little story about the sacrifice of the Filipino. So I really hope that everybody enjoys today's program. If so, please give me that thumbs up, like, and share. Let's just get right into this, not hold you up too long. Jennifer,
Yes.
do you mind telling your story of the sacrifices you've made throughout your life?
Yeah.
Okay.
And my wife and
Yeah, okay.
my stepdaughter and
Oh, you have okay. So you are from where are you from?
from Surigao del Sur, Mindanao.
Mindanao. Wow, very far away, very far away.
Yeah.
So you came here at what age to Manila?
I think I'm come here in my age in 20. I think 20.
20 years old, and
Oh, yeah.
your choice, your family's choice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So your mother didn't mind. Your mother was supportive.
My mother talked to me to if I'm if I'm 21, he said he do not cover all the problems mine.
Your expense.
Yeah,
You're old enough to
yeah.
work. Okay.
So find your own job.
Wow, that's a lot like they do to us in America. All right. So
That's why I'm coming to Manila to find my own job.
and you found a work here?
Yeah, but I need a talent because I have no idea how to make to find a job because I have no experience.
What did you do in the province?
I'm climbing coconut.
Oh,
and,
you can climb a coconut?
Yeah, and
Wow.
a rice. Yeah, yeah. Pagtatanim ng palay.
You climbed a coconut, no rope, no nothing, just climb.
Yeah,
Freehand.
this climb because they have. If I told to our place is tangga, may talagang
Oh, they have
tapakan.
little slots?
Yeah,
Okay.
Every step.
So, not a lot of that in Manila, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So, what kind of work did you find then once you arrived?
Yeah. First, security.
Oh, security.
But there are many problems for my post. That's why I left their job and I found something to my friend. Invite me to try to maintenance carpenter.
Oh, that's
yeah.
the job now?
Yeah.
Here in the car. So, you transferred from security to a maintenance.
Yeah.
And you're good at that.
Yeah.
And how many years?
From now on is 28 years.
28 years working here.
Working here.
Wow.
And now, my family over there in Cavite, I live there because my job is here.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Because I remember back
now.
I remember, I think was it 9 years ago?
Yeah.
When we demolished.
Oh, Cartimar.
They demolished Mabolo Extension where Laila and also your barracks.
Mhm.
Your
Yeah.
barracks.
I have a barracks in Cartimar because our company giving us a barracks.
But no more demolished.
But, but they have a incoming company to make our barracks.
That's there by the Korean
Yeah,
store
yeah,
there.
yeah,
Um. So yeah, that's say me and Lila, we moved back to Pangasinan, and you
yeah.
moved to
Cavite.
Cavite, but continued maintenance in the
Oh,
Cartimar.
continue my job here. From
Now you have big sacrifice.
yeah, very very big sacrifice. You know what? Because my family over there very far.
That's your
Your
wife.
wife and my grandson and my oh and live
Children.
my wife and grandson only. And her mother and father in here, Cartimar.
They're still working here.
They're working
They're
here.
working here.
Mhm. That's why I mean sometimes I like to cry because the food I have I cannot give them because so far.
And
And
we're
sometimes this I like this and I know he loves this food. But I
somebody
can
give you this
give
tonight,
him because very far.
right?
This food is giving to me my friend.
Your friend give you
Yeah,
this tonight. Was
yeah.
it pata?
Pata, yeah.
So that's it. That's
Pata.
pata. It's
Oh.
pata. All right.
Mm.
And then
I like to eat and my family around me
yes.
to taste
So you
what I taste.
sit here every night
Yeah,
and
yeah.
you have to eat alone.
Oh, yeah, alone and my friend. That's why sometimes I go back to Cavite to masaya kami.
So you go how many? What?
Yeah,
Once a week? Twice a week?
yeah.
How many times do you get to go to Cavite?
Sometimes 1 week, 3 times to go back there. But
Sometimes 3 times a week.
oh,
All right.
but my motorbike is
Is very old now.
very old na.
And then
Very old na.
so you're sleeping. So this is where you sleep at night. This is your bed where he's sleeping outside in the open.
Yeah, over there.
Okay, so you're sleeping over there. Okay.
To take the place.
You have rice cooker.
Free. No, no.
It's liberty to sleep in the, but it's just a parking lot
Yeah.
outside. Mini mosquito.
Yeah, mini mosquito over here.
You got a little bit of cover of the rain.
Sometimes if
The wind is blow.
yeah, the wind blow, we wait over there. Is sleeping with.
All right, so I'm gonna stop talking. We're just gonna listen to Jennifer a little bit. If you want to speak in some Tagalog, you can.
Yeah. But James, I'm sacrificing for my family to give them a nice place if I have. But I'm very, my budget is kulang. But I understand the situation of my job. But I think
28 years at
yeah.
this job.
I think someday God's give me a good
Reward for your hard work and
reward.
your family beliefs,
Family.
your sacrifices for your family.
I told to my wife, don't leave your son to anywhere. Just get your son to your own because sometimes if you leave your son, Tagalog story, hindi ka nakilala eh. Sometimes eh. Pero pagka nandyan yung anak mo at saka yung apo mo, eh, ang sarap-sarap ng ano nun, yung ang pagmamahal ay para kang nasa langit. And then, if your family go around you and you feel you like in above in the heaven because
Oh,
you have a grandson, you
yes,
have a granddaughter, you have a son and daughter. You live around you.
yes, yes,
Mm. And what happened to you? There are many help to give you to
yeah,
your from your son or grandson.
yes,
That's why I told to my wife, don't leave your son and your daughter. Just keep that
so
to
you,
to our house
yes,
to never leave because someday I very hard to find.
yes, it is.
Yeah. That's why I told to my wife, that's why two of us, we very happy because my family is around me, around us.
You-
It's very easy to call.
mhm,
That's why I made that. That's
yes,
why if I have a
small
good
food.
food, I my head,
This is your ulam tonight.
yeah, I like it. I like to teach my grandson and granddaughter because I love to share it. I love to share to them. Ha? Mm.
Pasta.
Ngayon, itong pagkain na ito, kung nandito sila, pagtutulong-tulungan namin ito. Oh, kasi yung apo ko, pag kumain ako, pag nakita niya masarap pagkain ko, kakainin niya. Lolo, pahingi ako.
And this is
Diba?
your bowl.
Yeah.
Your bowl is made
Yeah.
from the coconut.
Yeah. That bowl is
You
from
make yourself.
yeah to our province because there are many coconut over there. Eh.
Oh.
That's why you can make a bowl like this.
You learn to do that when
Yeah,
you're a child.
very easy to.
Very industrious.
And sometimes the sandok.
Ah.
I made a sandok and spoon also like this.
Oh yes.
Yeah. I made sandok and
So
spoon.
you're an inspiration to the Filipino.
Yeah.
If you don't give up, just you come from Mindanao.
Mhm.
And that was years ago.
Yeah.
What, about 30 years ago, right?
Yeah.
And then you end up 28 years ago
I think
here.
30 years above ago.
Okay, and then but work at Cartimar for 28.
28. 28
So
today.
you come here very young
Yeah.
with
I'm
only
20
high
years.
school education,
Yeah, only high school.
and you survived it.
Ah.
Your inspiration.
Ah.
You didn't come and give up. Back to James.
I have a friend and he live Mindanao.
Mhm.
Come to me to asking me help to find a job. But there are grade 6 only.
Grade 6.
He cannot high school.
Okay.
And then I provide myself. I use my brain. I have a certificate of high school graduate because the security only accepted is they have a certificate high school graduate.
Oh yeah.
And I help them.
Oh, your friend.
Yeah.
He only had 6th grade certificate.
No certificate.
No
Because,
certificate. But so you helped him with a certificate. Oh.
And he removed my name and then
Oh.
friend.
So
And then
what?
he find a job. I still security.
It's security. Is he
Yeah.
still doing security
To my friend, I help them.
like that?
But
Okay. So you helped them. You may have cheated a little bit,
yeah,
but that was years ago.
that
Years ago.
very.
Are they still security?
Or none? No.
Oh.
Because he not good for her job.
Not good. Oh.
Yeah.
So he go back
Go
to the
back.
home.
Yeah.
Yeah. So cheating didn't really win.
Mm.
Well, Jennifer, you have a very inspirational story
Mhm.
for the people.
Yeah. Because I love my friend come to me.
Yeah.
That's why I'm sacrificed to help them. But it's not It's not.
But so you sacrifice a lot for your
Yeah.
family,
Mm,
your family to survive.
like you, I sacrifice some time to you.
Yeah, when you first met me, you
Yeah.
let me sleep on your porch
Yeah.
because I would
Uh,
sleep there.
Because
I sleep there in the bakery,
I'm
next to the
a,
bakery.
I'm a real Filipino.
Yeah,
Very
you're
helpful.
you're one of the Filipino that give the Filipino a good reputation.
Yeah.
You
Thank
give the Filipino a good name.
Mhm. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. All right, if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, smash the like button.
Mhm.
I hope you liked today's story. If you do, let me know by commenting down below,
Mhm.
and maybe we can provide more story like this, and we can help people more like this that are working and trying and sacrificing, and this little bit that we are going to do today will help him. All right, Lila. So we're here with Jennifer. We're going to give him the rice and stuff we talked to him last night about with the interview. So we've got him some things here. So let's go talk with him. He's busy, so we got to make this quick. Jennifer, there you go. So last night, I told you I'd get you a few things.
Okay.
So we got you a couple kilos of rice.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
That can
Thank
help
you.
you out a
Yeah,
little bit. We got you some ulam ready to eat
Yeah.
and a couple cans of sardines.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Kuya
Yeah,
Kano.
it's the dough balls.
Kuya Kano.
So
My friend, Kuya Kano.
I hope that helps you a little bit. So help your lonely nights.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Yes. All right. Thank you very much also for letting us talk with you.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Come on, Lila. Let's go.